Hey guys, this is an electric tea kettle made by MegaChef. Let's take a closer look at it. It also comes with this tea infuser. Simple to use. You just remove the lid. If you want to make some tea, you would put some loose leaf tea in here, slide the tea infuser onto the lid at the bottom of it, just like so, and just put it inside of water, let it boil, and make you tea instantly. So this is the switch right here. This is the on switch. When it reaches the boiling temperature, it turns off just like most electric tea kettles. This is the pod. You can hide the cord, or you can just extend it. Pretty cool design. Once again, the lid just comes off. You fill the water in here, and you have yourself some tea. And the cool thing, you can remove the tea infuser if you don't want to use it, if you just want to use this for boiling water only. This kettle is made out of great quality materials, stainless steel, and BPA-free plastic. It has a capacity of 1.8 liters. Auto shut off. Let me point out that it is very quiet operation. This is the tea infuser. Have some tea in there. And makes a great tea right in the pot. Pretty cool.